First, open ENVI classes and basic tools, Mosaic and georeference, and import. Next, import file. Follow this step. And open new file. The image TTRL plus select open to image and select to image and OK. Two images come. Next, right click and edit entry. Data value to ignore 0. OK. Next image, right click, edit entry, data value to ignore 0. OK. Follow this step. Same other image. Next, file and apply. Output choose. And OK. No displays, click and new display. Open a new display. Band select one by one. One load and one load. Load band. Change this color. Tools, color mapping, ENVI color table, and blue, green, red, yellow color choose, and see the mosaic image to dim image. The mosaic image from to dim image. OK, complete.